right, good morning, folks. This is your free video from seasonalswingtrader.com. This morning we're going to take a look at the overall broad market, then take a look at one of the seasonal setups popping up for a possible short going into the end of the week. First, let's take a look at the S&P. We're down a little over 0.5%, or down 14.5 points at 2338 on the E-mini S&P. We notified our members over the last couple of weeks. We've been watching this potential top here play out, looking for a break and subsequent close below 2350 on the 1, 2, 3. Our initial target would be 2300. We've got a high up here at 2400, a low point here at 2350, which gives us a projected target of the 2300 level, which would put us nicely here at the 100-day. So right now we'll see if we can finally get the crack that we've been waiting. We've tried a couple of times, pierced back above the trend line, looking like we were going to go up and test 2400 again. Today we are trading lower. Historically, we are entering a very bullish seasonal period for stocks heading into the Easter weekend. Today is weak. We'll see how the rest of the week plays out on this holiday shortened trading session. Okay, if we flip over to our stocks here, we've got a stock called Nucor, NUE, and is setting up for a trade entry on or around the 13th of the month, which is this Thursday. Historically, out of the last 10 years, 8 of the last 10 years, or 80% of the time, this stock has traded lower with an average approximate gain of 8% and a drawdown of less than 0.5%. So looking here at a daily chart in real time, we're trading at 59.75. We'll call it 60 bucks. You can see we're nestling here back on the 50-day average. We're starting to roll over. It looks like on both the daily and weekly. You can see the 50 and 100-day starting to converge here, the 200-day starting to flatline. We look over the weekly chart. You can see we have a lot of consolidation and overhead up here at the $65 level. If we take our dollar difference line here, we can draw a line from this top high here at, we'll call it $67, down to this number 2 point here at around $55. We'll call it $11.50, $12. We take that and draw that from the number 2 down the same amount, or $11.50. What do you know? That puts us right near the 50% retracement level. You can see we've got a lot of past congestion, past support and resistance zone here in this area. So that would be a move down from around $55 down to around $44, $43. That would be the ultimate profit target on the weekly chart. Now that would take a little bit longer to achieve. You'd have to trade farther distance options. Short term though, if you're looking from the seasonal trend perspective, we're looking at about an 8% drop. That would take us down to around the $55 area. We're trading around 60 bucks right now. They take us down to 55, which is an area I like because it is a nice middle of the line number, and that also would put us at a retest of these key highs here as well as these key highs here. So $55 is the ultimate first profit objective, then possibly down to the 45, 44 area on breaks below these lows here on the weekly at 56.75. So hope that helps. We'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.